This section of my series is all about what you can do during the day or during the event to tweet with impact. There's a few things you should consider to make the most of your tweets. First of all, increase the visual impact of your tweets. We've already talked about the kind of images you can prepare before the event, but during the day also make sure that you take some pictures of the speakers, of their key slides, because this is sort of things people will be interested to read and to hear about. The best tweets combine text and images, so don't forget to take some pictures. Now also, as a bonus tip, it's always a great way to portray the atmosphere of an event with a short video clip. So you could do this if you're very brave, using Facebook Live or just the video function on your phone or the device you've chosen and posting that on Twitter. I went to an event earlier in the summer where Victoria Taylor had a speech all about creating customer moments, and she actually gave all of the attendees some champagne or some Prosecco, and people filmed it, and those were the tweets which were so highly shared because it was such a fun way of portraying what the event was like. So you've come to the event well prepared, you have the events hashtag, the Twitter handles of all the different speakers, so you're ready to go. One thing I always like to recommend is actually emojis. Now, if it's appropriate for your audience, why not use some emojis in your tweets? That's usually fun. Another way of portraying quite a lot of learning points in a very concise way is actually creating lists. They're very popular and it's very easy to capture what the speaker has just talked about in a simple list, and why not also use emoji which suits your brand. Now finally, it's really important to consider that sharing tweets on the day, it's not just about broadcasting your own learning and opinions. It's all about engagement as well. Now you know I'm a fan of Madeleine Sklar. She's a Twitter guru and she always says in her learning, engage, engage, engage. So during the event, please check your notifications, RT, other good tweets, post some questions, answer some questions. Acknowledge that people are interacting with you because you really want to connect to the community of delegates around you. And the best way of doing that is to really interact with them. So please do check your notifications throughout the event and respond. Now, live tweeting is all about adding value to your own audience and reaching out to a new audience. I also recommend, if you have a relevant blog or ebook or vlog you like to share with the audience, that is absolutely fine as long as it's relevant to a topic. And it's such a great marketing channel, so don't forget to think about these relevant blogs and vlogs beforehand and have the URL ready so that you can share them on the day. Now the main thing, don't get stressed too much about live tweeting on the day. It really is about enjoying the event, meeting new people and having some fun, so don't forget to have some fun. If you have any questions or comments, please share them below in the comments box and I would love to get back to you and review them and help you with any questions you have about live tweeting.